So yeah, granting this permission will allow Miro to see what I have access to in Asana, and it will allow them to work together. And we'll allow that collaboration. So we'll allow that as me. And now on the Miro end, this app has been authorized for 10x flow, and now I need to authorize it. So now on the Miro end, I will also authorize Asana to read Miro's information that I have access to. And now there it is. I have the ability to add Miro to my Asana. I will skip this for now, but you can start adding it right away. Got it. I can add Miro to my projects at any time now.